Okay, let's get started by removing the body from the chassis like this. Now remove the motor like this. Also, I had some missed footage, so I had to re-record some parts with the brushless motor in. The steps are the same and not affected, but some parts will look different to what your car has. Now let's bolt the mount to the servo. Now let's bolt the servo to the chassis. And connect the servo arm. Now let's install the motor. Here I'm going to use Wltoys to keep the pinion grub screw from coming out, and remember to let it cure for at least the recommended time on the type that you buy. I let mine dry for 24 hours before driving it. Hey everyone, the data shows 80% of people watching my videos are not subscribed. It takes only 2 seconds, is free, and you can unsubscribe later if you change your mind. Thanks, now back to the video. Now let's connect the ESC to the motor. So for this, connect any of the 3 wires to each other. We will test if it's correct later and can swap 2 of the wires if it's not correct. So you'll know this is not correct if when you try to drive it, when driving forwards the car goes backwards, and when trying to drive backwards the car goes forwards. And again, yeah, that's just swapping 2 of those wires to fix that. Now here is how to connect the radio receiver to the ESC and servo. The ESC goes to channel 2 and the servo goes to channel 1. So for the ESC there is a divot in the plug that will only line up one way, so don't force the connection, but there's a slight overhang on one of the sides, so that will tell you which way to connect it. And then for the servo, that doesn't have a divot on lines. So what I did was match the wire colours to the ESC to make sure I wasn't installing it upside down. Now let's test if it works or if we need to swap two of the motor wires. Now let's reinstall the body.